Ya aku dia ini. Arti bertujuan ya aku dua ini. Guys, here we have a passion fruit. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Look at my nephew here. Hi, say hi.
Hi.
Hi guys.
Hi guys.
Yeah. So in today's video, I'll do a day in my life vlog. Look at the background; it's all greeny. I love it. So I'll just vlog whatever I do in a day. So come on, let's go. The first thing I'll do in my video, the day of my life video, will be going to the garden to help my mom cut some pig's food to feed the piggy. Yeah. And look guys, here we have a passion fruit. It's not yet ripe, so I'll just look in the ground. Maybe we might find the right one. Yeah, I do. See, this one is very tasty. Bang hagon ni mo.
Green salt.
Yes, green salt. I got another one. Coba itu na.
Hi. Pat. Ini so.
Nabon maham.
Tayo yung.
Tayo rin stupid pun.
Pat kan tu. Pat. Ini batan ha. Wayong ha. Pat. Hi guys. Tu yung.
Gani em makan daun dak udlut go. Arho di go.
Itu ako. Pat. Patay. Ay, Spanish saru. Pat tinong saru. Sop xanh phi nó.
Ano ka din ito?
Hay dito. Phải vậy.
Dabi nito, dabi ito sa maybe men. Iya bang.
Beli men.
Gani? Yes, kay ito.
Vậy tụi chị. Yo.
Saya dong si lalay me.
Chị lôi. Ini to si spy.
Yun ang si lalay na. Kanyo lang hini. Kami ni ang si lalay man nadung din ni dati kor ha.
Merdo.
Bon aga yo.
Ada. Lôi. Isken. Sinubo ka?
Sakti man da po hitay da yubo ni hitay borti.
Adi, bonai ka.
Tingnan harus nyama juga.
Kabojo ratu.
Ya. Ada jamai daso. You kle fresh mo. Directly fresh from the garden. Merdo to.
Papa ini kenyang yo.
Na. Kami tubo na gasne, stu saka jam senang le au.
Karena regane ngada jam ga. Pat abam siang diraci.
Diraci usmat na tak wabun ha ganong. Diraci yu usmat dap. Usmat yu liwan.
Bonelli ada. Sini rem keluar aku. Blub. Sengai kam ngerben. Kadikti. Jam hayo. Bam.
Wow. Saya dengar. Gani tak gebam sini awas nyapang lo kai tutup na baik kek go. Artip nasa. Artip ya bertu ya kut guas kiat ya kut dia ini. Artip bertu ya kut gua ini baik kam ni. Bam sini yang. Te latip ya te om wan kam nu yu yo kantin ga.
Pe atele hat lek haji gor khiang.
Lurah ni sudah.
Ish.
Soalnya latip. Yes. Ang bisa ang smart walk.
Good girl. Pe tu.
Kata dadap. So bye guys. Bye bye slow. Hello again. I've done taking bath after cutting the food to feed the pigs. So now it's sunny. We'll just roam around.
You bang em ba?
I know it's bad. But please release me anyway. Hold yourself anyway. Give my love to me. You see, push me away. I'll be right here. We open
I'm obsessed with the nature. It's all green. Everything is green. Plus it's sunny. The sun has rise. After a long week, we get the sun. Engas ti sa kalangas niya. Em saja pi.
Just there.
Be careful. See, there's a bridge and another waterfall there. Let's go down there, pi. The bridge. Đi lại phi cái đằng gật này. So many waterfalls. Hey, and there's even a pond also. I think it's because of the force of the water. Wait, ma, I'll go near. Wow. Look at that mini waterfall. I think it's because of the force of the water that it becomes muddy. The water doesn't look green. Yeah. Hi. Plum. Ta pakot ya, ye pakot jangai. Ta payahap se, payahap. Ye rap sadin. Hi, ta po jangai. Okay. Tay. It's like a big waterfall.
Di, pepat mah. Pepat masih hasil ni dah. Ada ya. Masih hasil ni banyak pak. Ya lah, lipet kameramen. Kerunci di kajing nom.
Okay, lihat yuk.
Hai. Lalu dah bang snow.
Udah paham sih yuk.
Malah terbuat tinggal orang. Lajan ya pe. Oh, pelajar ya Pak Buntit harus jalan sini. Ya tuh iya jalan. Pipi. Dam di dam. Dam di dam ya aja ada skor aja rekmat.
Atau sajan terus begiya. Nabila sekannya naik terus ya. Sajan lah sajan. Hey, ini enjoy ini.
Mentah.
Hah?
Di record lagi.
Kita nak sendur nih. Yang dari ini tuh tadi. Tapos, tapos. Kaya tayo embro di sajan. Kata dia embro deh yuk. Jadi wajan sini nih. Kata embro deh yuk kamsa. Dunia ini yuk. Niat dora go. Mana embro dia sajan tala jerong. Jadi tadi sendur le. Des. Di mana sana tuh? The first time we visit here when it was during lockdown. During lockdown, yeah, that was the time we discovered this place. And now we didn't mean to come here, but we heard the sound of the water from there, and we thought that there is waterfall. But when we go, we end up here. It was the one which we discovered before. Whew. Whew. Coming was more easy than going up because it's uphill. That's why my back is paining. I feel like I'm an old grandma. Bye bye. Bye bye. See you again until next time. You bang background. Take me back to the city where people gonna go. No. I don't know the lyrics. Yung dangsang. Pos, aktori. Oh. Tapos, the rain has started again and it's getting dark, so we'll head back home and I'll end this video here. So do subscribe to my channel and thank you for watching. Bye. I'll see you in my next video.